my god! What are those?
Olya, just get the out of here, please.
Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give oh.
Hi my loves and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantal. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this makeup look that I'm wearing right now. I was just not in the best mood today and I was like, you know what? Maybe I should put in some makeup. That'll change my mood. And it honestly did. Doing my makeup is very therapeutic for me. Watching YouTube videos like makeup tutorials and anything that has to do with makeup, beauty and fashion is just very therapeutic for me. So I was like, you know what? Let me put some makeup on. Let me do a video. And maybe that will help, and it really did. So yeah, if you guys want to see me go from 0 to 100 literally, keep on watching. Hello. I am back with another makeup video for you guys. Let me turn the music down. It took me the entire day to get up and sit in front of this mirror. Today has been a struggle. It's 6:16, but I'm getting it done. I already prepped my skin off camera. I am honestly not sure about why is that still all the... Anyways, I am not sure about the type of look that I want to do today, but I do know I want to do something just very glam and pretty. Just something to make me feel good, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do. I am thinking if I should probably just do this like a quick little video and just speed through everything, because you guys are probably tired of seeing me doing the same shit over and over. Or if I should do a more like, at this point I'm just talking way too much. Let's get on to the makeup. Just come in here and bring your jumbie vibes, Q. Know what I say? Jumbie running away from you because of my heavenly presence. final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. It really did boost my mood. Okay, anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for spending some time with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Today I just really wanted to play around in makeup because it's just one of those days that I wasn't feeling my best, and this is therapeutic for me. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Johnny Vibes. Bye guys.
Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give. Oh.
It's the butt for me.
What butt?
Are you blind? What's wrong with you?
Yeah, let my glasses stay because I can't see it.
Okay, this is reality. God, Jesus,